Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kiran Khokhar and I'm back with another new video for you guys. If you're new to this channel, make sure you have subscribed because I am uploading weekly videos and I want you to be notified. So make sure your notification bell is also on. Here are my social media links. I upload daily pictures and videos and reels on my platform. So make sure you have connected with me there as well. Today's video is going to be about Halloween look as it is just around the corner, and if you want to try out something which is not that easy but not that difficult, then this look is for you guys. So without any further delay, let's get started. जो look मैं आज try करने वाली हूँ, this is my first time for it, and also ये मैंने Pinterest से pick किया है, so I'll just show you how it looks. So this is the look I'm trying today. I guess it's not going to be that difficult, but it is not going to be that easy as well. So I'll be trying this and let's see how it goes. So I'll be doing first of my face for the makeup, which is the regular one, and then we will start with the Halloween look. Let's get started. I've already primed my face. Now I'm just gonna use this Etude foundation. We'll apply it in considerable amount. So I'll be doing this on just one side of my face because otherwise side पर वैसे ही मुझे Halloween का look करना है. So this is what I'm going to do. So for concealer I'm using Infallible Full Wear Concealer. ये look मैं बहुत जल्दी करूँगी. I'm not going to really explain you the process. There are a couple of videos on my channel. You can watch them to just see how I do my full face makeup. I'll be just concentrating on the Halloween side more today. To set my face, I'm going to use this Fit Me Compact, and it's in shade 230 Natural Buff. And this works really well on my skin. नेक्स्ट जो शेड में यूज करने वाली हूँ वो है NYX अल्टीमेट पैलेट से. दिस इज ऑम्बर पैलेट एंड इसके अंदर से मैं लेने वाली हूँ ये ऑरेंज, अगेन टू गिव इट अ ट्रांजिशन ओवर द ब्राउन शेड. So now for the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to use this Color Bar palette, which is Glitter Me All palette with Dreamland eyeshadow. And I'm going to use a golden shade from here, this one, and let's get started. And just like that, waterline पर भी मैं थोड़ा सा transition shade दूंगी from again Freedom palette से brown, and from my NYX palette से again the orange shade. So for my again the innermost corner of my eyes, I'm going to use this Freedom palette. एंड इसमें से भी हाउस ऑफ डॉल्स वाला जो सेम कलेक्शन है उसी से थोड़ा सा इनर कॉर्नर्स को I'll enhance. Okay, so I am pretty much done with this side of my face. I don't want to do any further. मैं अब बस फटाफट से eyelashes लगाकर I'll be back. इस साइड का मेकअप मैंने कंप्लीट कर लिया जैसे मुझे चाहिए था. And now I will be starting with this side, and इसीलिए मैंने eyelash पे भी इसी side पर लगाया है. After I'm done with this side, then I'll apply it here as well. So for this look, I will mute this video and you will just see the process. मैं कुछ नहीं बोलने वाली हूँ. मैं बस initial starting में आपको products दिखा दूँगी कि मैं क्या क्या use करने वाली हूँ, so that I can concentrate well. And for me also, it is going to be first time to try this. So I hope I look good on this. So let's get started with the other side. The products I'm going to use for this side are going to be this Color Bar eye pencil. So ये eye pencil से मैं पूरा इस side का जो face frame है जो मुझे art चाहिए वो draw करूँगी ताकि एक basic structure मुझे मालूम पड़ जाए कि मुझे कहाँ पे क्या करना है. And then I'll be using this water based body and face painting kit. which is from Amazon. Like the brand, I don't know, probably here it is just mentioned professional body art. इसमें कुछ 24 colors हैं and I'll be using orange and black shade from it. ये मैंने Amazon से लिया था somewhere around I guess 650 का. I'll mention the link in the description box. So yeah, now let's get started. So अभी कुछ parts में I went wrong, so I'll be trying it again and now you'll see it. I hope I get it this time. My framing of the face is done. Now I will be starting with the colors to fill it in. Let's start. So it was my first time of using that body art palette, but I think कि उसका जो color orange है वो इतना dark नहीं आ रहा है. I don't know camera पे कैसा आ रहा होगा, but in reality it's a little light. So I'll be going ahead with this orange lip shade. This is also a kit from Color Bar, and then we'll be applying all over this to just brighten up the look a bit. I'm almost done with my look and I'm just finishing this up with this glitter from this Glamour palette, and I'm taking this black glitter and I've already done my this part and this part, so I'll be just filling in this area and just adding some glitter for some shine here. This is the final look, and I hope I did justify the picture I found on Pinterest. I'll just show it to you once again. This was the look on the Pinterest, and this is me. So I guess मैं अपने आप को दूंगी because this is my first time to try this look. Somewhere around 5 out of 10. I believe it could have been much better, but still not a bad job. Let's ask Pradeep कि वो मुझे कितने नंबर देगा?
8.
8? Oh, इसने तो बहुत मतलब इसे खुशी दे दी. He's giving me 8 out of 10. I'm pretty happy, but I hope whenever we try any other look next time, it will be much better. This was me first time trying out any kind of art makeup, and I'm pretty convinced I can do much more. I hope you try out this Halloween look and stand out in your parties. This was pretty time taking, but not that difficult. So you can easily try it. And plus जो मैंने products use किए necessary नहीं है कि आपको वही use करने हैं. आप चाहो तो मैंने जो black paint use किया है उसकी जगह काजल use कर सकते हो, और you can use your eyeliners. और जो मैंने orange thing use किया वो मैंने anyways lipstick use किया. You can use any kind of lipstick which is in orange color, be it matte, be it glossy, whatever you feel like. And ये भी आप easily अपने eye pencil से कर सकते हो. So this was pretty doable makeup, and I hope you liked it. And if you did, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also like, share, and comment down below how did you find it. And I love you all. I love your support, and I appreciate that you come here and watch my videos. Stay tuned, and I'll be coming back with few more videos for you guys. I'll see you with my next video. Bye bye.